Let me see a real-time example on while loop. Let's create a class inside this line tab. Okay, class. So I'll be giving the class name as NSK Bank ATM. So I'll give this public static void main. I'll check this public static void main. It's fine. So Control D to delete to do. So now the question is, I have a bank ATM where I have the functionalities like fund transfer, withdraw, deposit, and change the mobile number. These are the functionalities. So based on the option, so I have to perform the operation. I have to execute the respected operation. Okay, let's see. Let's write the question first. So here's the question. Write a program to execute the while loop based on the user input. So we have these are the operations: fund transfer, withdraw, deposit, and change mobile number. Okay, let's write the code for this. So first and foremost, I'll be creating a scanner class object. Scanner equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay, let's import the scanner. Now I'll be initializing a boolean value, continue operation. So is the boolean value. So later I can ask question whether I want to continue for further operation or not. So continue operation is a boolean value. I'll say this is true. Continue operations. Let's say continue operations. Fine. So now I'll write a condition while continue operation is true. So you'll be you have to choose the choice actually. So choose choose an option. Okay, choose an option. Choose an option. Okay. Now I'll write space. First one is fund transfer, and let me write it again. First one is fund transfer. Let me copy this statement. Copy, paste it. And second one is withdraw. 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 And third one is deposit. Deposit. And fourth one is change mobile number. Change mobile number. Okay. So now here we have to give the message. Enter, choose the enter your choice between 1 to 4, right? Between 1 to 4, enter your choice. Cool. That's fine. So now here I'll read the choice from keyboard. Okay, I'll store it in choice. Choice. Okay, so I'll use switch and I'll copy 4 cases. So case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, and let me delete the other cases. Okay, so when my choice is 1 or 2, so if the choice is something like this, so I'll say space phone. I'll say performing fund transfer. Performing fund transfer. Okay, let's copy this one. Second is performing withdraw. So let me paste this one. Let me paste this one. Okay, here what I'm doing is I'm performing withdraw. Copy this, just paste it. Performing deposit. Third case is performing deposit. And fourth case is changing the mobile number. So changing the mobile number. So here I'll say changing mobile number. Good. So now the default is. So here I'll write the default is to enter valid choice. I can say invalid choice, enter valid choice. That's fine. Simple. Cool. So how does this switch? So what I have to do, I have to ask a question, right? Whether I have to continue or not. So I'll say, so yes, so do you want to continue? Do you want to continue? So if you want to continue, yes or no. So let's read that. In scanner dot next. I'll store this in a string response. I'll say if the response dot equals of yes, so we'll be copying the result. Means the s the equals method will be returning true or false. If true or false, and we'll be assigning this to continue operations. That's fine. Okay. At last, after will be comes out of the while loop if the continue operation is false. Okay, if you don't want to perform the transaction, will come out. So here we'll write system.println and we'll say thank you for using ATM. Thank you for using bank ATM. I'll write NSD bank ATM. ATM. So let's run this one. Okay, let's save this one. Let's run it. So here we are about to enter the choice. So here I'll be entering first choice, fund transfer. So do you want to continue? I will say yes. So fund transfer, do you want to continue? I'll say two. Withdraw, do you want to continue? Yes, I'll say. And again, it will ask one more choice, enter a choice. So here I will say deposit. So performing deposit, do you want to continue? I will say yes. So again, so it is asking for one more choice. So four. So do you want to continue? I'll say no. So when you say no, it will comes out of the while loop. It will comes out of this while loop and it will execute this. Thank you for using NSK Bank ATM. That's cool. Okay, that's all. Thank you for use. That's an example of NSK Bank ATM using the while loop. Okay, that's all for now.